2, 3. Welcome to Boshell Custom Woodwork. Today we're going to talk about how we join our wood and why we do the things that we do. Let's take a look first at how wood is constructed on the inside. If you look at these rings right here, you'll see a layer, a big layer and a small layer. This is fiber, cellulose, fiber, cellulose. The cellulose material in wood is what carries the water and the nutrients from the root to the leaves. It's kind of like the blood flow system of a tree. Very weak, very much like a loofah sponge. The fiber is where you get your strength. So when you attach through the end like this, the spirals of the screw cut through many fibers, weakening the joint. A side grain attachment like this is much stronger. We overcome this problem because an end grain attachment is unavoidable in many cases. So we overcome this problem by taking our wood and drilling out the end like this, and we take glue, and I'm not going to take a lot of time doing this for demonstration purposes, but we'll cut the wooden dowel, we'll coat it, we coat the inside of the hole, and we drive it in with a hammer. Then we take and notch our wood like this on our bed swings. This is very much like a mortis and tendon joint. You have a pocket for it to sit in. We put it together, we do our layout so our screws will be sure to hit the wooden dowels, and this is where we use this type of attachment. If you'll take a look at my bed swing over here, these four corner joints, this one, that one, that one, and that one, is your base structure. And you'll see an up-close photo later of how this is put together and what it looks like. And let me turn the bed swing a little bit like that. That's the reason we come out further on this end piece, is so we have room for that pocket, for that joint. This swing is put together with the intentions of it lasting you for the rest of your life, and your kids' life, and hopefully your grandkids' life. Hopefully this swing will last 3 lifetimes. We attach it not using nails, we attach it using these 3.5-inch screws. It makes for a very strong joint. We have taken this bed right here, we have hung it, and we've put over 1,000 pounds of people on this bed. Not a squeak, not a creak, not a crack, no signs of stress whatsoever. We do this because we want it to last you a lifetime. Now, just take a look at this rope right here. It represents the fibers in that same block of wood. Putting this screw in like this and it cutting through the fibers, very little for the screw to hold on to. A side grain attachment, a lot to hold on to. It's not going to fail. But that's how we build our bed swings, which is one of my favorite things to build. And now we're going to pause the video and we're going to take a short walk out to the wishing well, and I'll show you how it's built. And take a couple of my screws with me, and I think we've got everything pretty much covered here. Oh wait, I showed you the mortise and tendon tight joint. This would be a butt and pass joint. No pocket for it to go into. However, on the bed swing, these joints right here are just like these joints, except this one does not have a pocket put into it, but it does have the wooden dowels down these vertical pieces right here, because this is a major component of your structure. This is tied to your base frame and also tied to your back. These joints have to be very, very strong. So now we're going to go out to the wishing well and we're going to take a look at how it's built. Which, by the way, our wishing well is one of our biggest sellers, and I love to build them as well. So let's go ahead and cut the video and let's take a